Going back to my Draft Expert, I go to Tools, Draft Expert, Coordinate File, and I'm going to import stormwater drain and a railway line at the same time. The railway line I want as polyline, and the top drain I want as a spline. Click on OK, and OK again. Zoom window. Here we've got the drain line, and what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go and create a trapezoid template for the drain line, and I'm going to go and create a railway template for this line. Looking at the trapezoid drain first. Now it may be a good idea beforehand to go to your terrain mode. Terrain on top, select Quick Profile Viewer. Specify which surface you're working with. Click on a start point and an end point. That would then go and give you a long section or profile of what your trapezoid drain should look like. You can go and click on these points and you could take note of the chainage and elevation. Having done that, I'm going to go to the roads mode, go to File, select Road File, go and create a new road. Let's call this Drain, and go and specify a different template. Now we can see the cross section of our drain. Click on OK and then apply it. Like we did before, you go to Alignment, Regression, Extract Strings. We're looking at a single carriageway at this stage. Click on OK. Go to the start of the spline, press Escape. Select the stake line from CAD, right click and extract. I'll extract every 5 meters in this case. And then specify the center line elevations from the spline. If you wanted to, you could go and specify a different template where you have culverts. Changing my zoom view, let's go and put in the railway. So again, we go to File, select Road File, add the road, let's call this rail, and specify which template to utilize. Click on OK. Back to Alignment, Regression, Extract Strings. Same thing as before. Select the start of the stake line and escape. Select the CAD line. Right click Extract String. Coordinate every 5 meters. Having done that, I want to put in a train in the center of the railway. I'm going to my display settings. I'm going to go and select Plan Layout. I'm going to switch off all the lines except in the first one, and then put that in the middle of the railway. Utilizing that line, we can go and put in linear furniture. Going back to signage, add linear road furniture, and then you select a train. This train is something that I downloaded off the internet and created a block of. The distance between train carriageway would be 19.5. Need to change the mode to start end. Click on the center line that we've just put in. Indicate the start as well as the stop position. Right click and quit. And then you turn on the shading for surface number 1. Press S for refresh. Let's get an update on what this looks like in rendering. Turning off my lines and my points, and changing my viewports. On the left hand side we got the trapezoidal drain. You can see it's a fairly long stretch. And then further down the road we've got our railway with train.